Hi, friends! Today, let's learn action words while helping at home. Are you ready? Clean toys, keep the room tidy.
Water plants to help them grow. Ha! Set the table for yummy meals.
Sweep the floor and keep the house clean. Feed the pet, they need care too. Fold clothes and keep things neat. Huh? Help in the kitchen, teamwork at home. Wipe the table and make it shiny. Take out the trash to keep our home fresh. Share with family, helping makes us happy. Great job! Helping at home is fun and makes everyone happy. See you next time, friends!